Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. A little bit of selling pressure today in the market. Solana is just currently doing what we wanted actually. It might be forming indeed that inverse head and shoulders pattern right now. Might have started this right shoulder. We talked about that over the last few days, that this pattern, as soon as we get to this resistance area, that we might get a rejection here and then form that right shoulder. You will know about that if you watch the last few videos. So we had here potential left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Again, Elliott wave provides much more context than head and shoulders patterns or those more classical patterns. And when someone asks me, do you consider these patterns? I often say, why should I? If Elliott wave can tell me the same thing. But still, it's sometimes nice to add it for, visual, something more visual to the charts. Yeah, sometimes more intuitive than the Elliott wave counts to some people. And yeah, the $20.20 level is the resistance level that we've been very much aware about. Above that, we had $20.60, got rejected here at both, and might form that right shoulder now, yeah. Now, again, you need to understand that the white wave count is currently only a possibility. It's a potential. It's a potential. It could follow through, but it needs to get a sustained break above $20.20. Then we'll reach $22 in a third wave, should then get rejected somewhere from there, maybe even go a little higher, but a fourth wave would be needed to form a fifth wave, and then an ABC structure down will give us the next trade setup on the long side. Until then, one more low cannot be ruled out, because we only see 3 waves to the upside. Okay, so the yellow wave count is still pretty much valid, which could give us one more low. If we get one more low, $17 is going to be support. That's the next level where we should see a bounce if we make one more low. And this is sort of the situation. White wave count provides a real potential. I don't see any short-term trade setup here at the moment. We had one down here. Didn't come down very deep, but still 1780 was support. So there was one there. I don't see one right now. Whereas I think, previous swing low support, that's not really an Elliott wave setup, but you basically have a small range here. Can you see that? So previous swing low support for the right shoulder could be $19. So if the price comes down a little lower, I would pay attention to the $19 level for a for a potential support, and then it could move up, test $20.20. If it then can go through, then we've got this inverse head and shoulders pattern complete. And it will complete and work on the third wave, which I will move over now because things sometimes take a little longer. So basically the assumption would be the third wave could still be in the making. It's a bit of a messy structure. So if we talk about this 5-wave move up here, we might be dealing with a larger diagonal because this looks choppy. Okay, so basically it would be here a wave 1, a wave 2, then A, B, C in wave 3. Wave 4, A, B, C, and wave 5. That's sort of what I see. But it needs to first break above $20.20 for that. And let's see if it can form that right shoulder. This will get invalidated with the break below the $18.60 level, this last swing low. Then I will assume the price topped just in 3 waves and will come down again, one more low to around about $17. That would be the next support where it has another chance then to attempt to turn around. Again, one more low cannot be ruled out. It doesn't need it. I highlighted to you last Monday, so last week, that the wave count to the downside is complete, but it includes the possibility still of one more potential low, but that we're very actively watching for exactly those reversal signals that we are tracking right now. So yeah, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.